host, Lily Kimmelman. Lily. So, today I am going to be reviewing the TARDIS. Wait, no, there's nothing dedicated to the. This is going to be like the basically the what is it called? The 11th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver go over. So, first things off. See these two buttons? This button makes it turn on. Now, if you press this button, you try to press this button, it does nothing. You gotta press this button. Now, other ones, you can press this button and it works, but it doesn't work for me. Now, sorry. It's very cool, I mean. It's very detailing. I mean, the 11th Doctor uses this. The 11th Doctor inside Doctor Who is Matt Smith. So, yeah. And they're like printing the I'm not going to read that because that would make this video 9 years long. And I like this I like this Sonic screwdriver because of the like the claw feature. I don't know why they add that to all of the Sonics. I mean, not all of them, but to this Sonic, of these Sonics, the Sonic of the 11th Doctor. But that's pretty much it for the video. So